Unit 4, pages 14 to 15 practice, and let's work these out in case you're stumped. A quadrilateral, the angles of a quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees. Let me just write that down. It's 360 degrees. That's what they add up to be. That's the sum. I have two of them. I'm missing two. But here's the thing. This one and this one are identical to each other. So let's just start by taking 360. Let's subtract these two. 360 minus this 87 and this 31, right? So I'm going to do 360 minus 87, 360 minus 87, and then minus 31, and I get 242. So 360 minus 87 was 273, minus that 31 is 242. That means that between these two angles right here, here and here, they together add up to 242 degrees. And since they're the same number, that means that I could just divide that by 2 to find out what each of these are. So 242 divided by 2 is 121. So each of these angles, this one and this one, are both 121 degrees. 121, 121. And just to show you that that's true, all you have to do is take 87 plus 121 plus 31 plus 121. If you add up those four angles, it'll equal 360 degrees. Same thing is true with this one, except this one, I have this, right? You can see that kite shape, right? So the 65, this one would also be 65 degrees, right? So the ones that are the same are the ones that are on those two sides of what you'd think of as a kite. So I only have one defined in this one. So I can take 360 minus these three. Okay, another way that you can use subtraction is to add up the ones that you know and then subtract. So if I do 91 plus 65 plus 65, 91 plus 65 plus 65 is 221. So I can do 360 minus 221, which is those three added together, and that'll give me my answer. So 360 minus 221 is 139. So this angle right here, 139. V, 139. And U was this other one, 65. Okay, so there's the first two questions. The next one that it gives you is this one, 18 degrees. And we've got right triangles inside of here. So we've got 18 degrees. Angle 5 would be 18 degrees. These in the middle are all 90s. Okay. So in this right triangle right here, I've got a 90 and an 18. I can subtract those from 180 to find angle 1. So 180 minus 90 is 90. And then minus that 18, 90 minus 18 would be 72. So right here, 72, and there, 72. Now these bottom triangles, 43, this one is also 43, okay? And we had the 90 in the middle, so 90 minus 90, or 180 minus 90, because it's a triangle, 180 minus 90 is 90, then subtract that 43, and I get 47. So this is 47, and this one is 47. So angle 1 was 72. Angle 2 was 72. Angle 3 was 47. Angle 4 was 90. Angle 5 was 18. Angle 6, 47. And angle 7 was 43. This one, well, again, you can see that it's kite shape, right? So these are the ones that are identical. So this is equal to this. So I'm going to take 4x plus 35 equals 8x minus 9 and solve for x to get started. Subtract 4x from both sides. And I get 35 equals 8 minus 4 is 4. Minus 9, I'm going to add 9 to both sides. And 35 plus 9 would be 44. That'll work out good, 4x. Divide by 4 and we get x is 11. But the question says angle S. Angle S is this one. So 8 times x, right? I don't want to put the x. 8 times whatever the x is minus 9, right? That's what that says. But now I know my x is 11. I'll put an 11 in there. So 88 minus 9 would be 79. So angle S is 79 degrees. Hopefully I did that math right. I did that last step in my head. Hopefully that was right. Okay. Let's see here. Number 12. Oh, 96, 96. This is not equal to this. Okay, but what I do know is all these together add up to 360, right? That's going to be kind of a big question. It'll get a lot smaller real quick. I'm going to add all these up. X plus 3 plus 96 plus 96 equals 360. Let's put all these 12, the 12x and the 17x makes 29x. And let's see here. I'm going to use my calculator for this other part. 96 and 96 and that 3. And then that negative 9 is 186. So I combined these terms that are alike, and I got 186. Positive 186 equals 360. So it got much smaller pretty quick. Subtract that 186 from both sides. So subtract 186 minus 186. 360 minus 186 is 174. Divide by 29, x equals 174 divided by 29 is 6. So that came out good. All right. And let's see. And that's it. So there you go. There's your homework assignment. If you have any additional questions, rewind, watch it again, or ask Mr. Harmless, and he will help you. I promise.